Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this lie? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Do it.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning into another Nova Beauty tutorial. So today's video is going to be on this look right here that you see. I'm going to be doing this look for you all. Y'all already know your girl is with Nova Beauty. Y'all know their products are good. So if you haven't heard of them, go check the description right below because they got tons of stuff on their site that I know that you will like. So go add something to your cart and tell them that people resent you. I don't want to keep y'all long in the video. I want y'all to get right to this because this beat is fire. This beat is cute. You know, I try to do something different. So yeah, y'all. And the brows. Look at the brows. Look at the brows. Nova Beauty Slimline Brow Pencil 8. If y'all want to see how cheap this look, then keep on watching.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine. Don't go see that. Okay. It only supposed to be hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It is me, girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning into another tutorial. So let's get into it, y'all. I went ahead and I clicked on my brows, and y'all, this is a Nova Beauty tutorial at that I'm to mention, but I'm about to go ahead and I'm about to gel my brows down. Y'all already know I had to get me some more brow gel, okay, because I was missing it. So I went to get me some more brow gel, but this is about to be strictly about Nova Beauty. I got their products right here. We're actually going to get into the brow product. Y'all already seen it in the last video. If y'all haven't seen it in the last Nova Beauty video, go ahead and check that out. But the link to purchase the brows will be in the description right below. So go ahead and get y'all some wine, snacks, or whatever y'all want to get. But we about to beat this face right now, okay? Because baby, it's looking good. Look at the skin. My skin has been doing really good. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and I'm about to gel my brows down, and we're gonna get into these Nova Beauty brows. My brows are molded in powder, y'all. So now it's time to go ahead and take the Slimline Brow Pencil from Nova Beauty and in the shades black and brown. I like to use black towards the back and brown towards the front. I just love a good ombre brow. Y'all, my brows about to be snatched because, like I told y'all, this is my nail too. I was missing my brow gel. These are the colors that I'm using, black and brown. Of course, it comes with a spoolie on one end, and on the other end, it comes with the product. How pigmented they are. So I'm going to go ahead and start molding it. And when you do your brows, you want to stay with your pencil dip going this way, and then don't like hold your pencil a certain way so it won't smudge. That's what I'm trying to say. And I like to drag it down because I like my brows to be long. So okay, I'm gonna say, do y'all see my brows? It looks so good. I'm about to go ahead and take the color brown because we're going to put brown in the front. You already know I love ombre brow. And I like to start like close to my brow hair, so kind of like draw a line to the black. Top it as well. Yeah, just like this. Brows about to be snatched, boy. Telling you. So brows are done using these little eyebrow pencils from Nova Beauty. I'm about to go ahead and conceal my brows, and I am going to come right back when it's time to do the shadow. Alright, y'all, so these are my brows. I don't know why one brow is going this way and the other one's going straight, y'all. I'll try my best. This is the dilemma right now. So we're going to move on to eyes. I'm going to go ahead and take my base, and we're going to go ahead and put that on and blend it out. Won't they do it every time? Okay, brows is nice. Yeah, okay, they snatched. I'm about to go in this Nova Beauty palette right here, y'all. And I'm going to go ahead and take black. This is in the shade Mood. And I'm going to put this all the way in my crease area. Well, I'm going to go halfway, honestly. And then we're going to do some fall colors. Black will always and forever hit out of the Nova Beauty Smoky palette. Now I'm about to go ahead and I'm about to add this beautiful brown color. It's like a brown orange color to it. I'm going to go ahead and put this beautiful color on top, y'all. So I want to give pumpkin vibes. Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and did the second transition. I'm going to go back into Mood, and I'm going to deepen it up, y'all. But you definitely want this color to be diffused. So yeah, that's how you diffuse the color. And then you're going to go right back in to that other color, and you're going to blend everything in. How we looking? I'm about to go ahead and open up this lid. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some base on, y'all. And then we're gonna add our shimmer. You wanna open up that lid so that you can have some extra space to put that shadow, okay? Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this color. I'm gonna go ahead and take the color Lucid, and I'm gonna put it all over the lid, y'all. I know this color is so pretty. When I tell you, sometimes. eye looks, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take Lucid Dreams. I got like several brushes from Nova Beauty. I got this like flat one, this lip liner brush, and I thought I had another one. Y'all, I do. I just want to let y'all know that Nova Beauty has a brush set, y'all. I think it's a 10-piece or a 5-piece brush set, and I will link it down in the description right below. But I'm going to use this fluffy one and this one. This one is really, I like this one too. I want to focus. I really like this one too because it's fluffy, and you can use that for like dusting powder off or blending concealer in, y'all. But I'm about to use this one right here, and I want to go ahead and take Sugar, which is this beautiful white shade. I wanted to put it on my lid, but close this with a brown, like Smoky. I want it to be smoked out, so I want to smoke this out with a brown. A real pretty color. To the shimmer color. Y'all, this is beautiful. Let's go ahead and finish the face. And use this pore primer. And then as soon as this dries, I'm going to go ahead and add powder to the pore area. Okay, so I went ahead and finished my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the lips. So for lips, I'm going to go ahead and take this brown lip liner. It's a 2-in-1 Snatched lip pencil. And I'm going to take that to line my lips. Okay, so for gloss, I'm going to take this Nova Beauty gloss in the shade T. Okay, so I'm going to wipe all this powder off, and then I'm going to go ahead and add blush. Actually, let me add blush right now. I like blush. It just make everything come together. Okay, y'all, so let's wipe this off. Alright, y'all, so I'm grinding this eye. I'm about to go and highlight it to my nose and spread my face down. And I'm grinding. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to smack that like button, that subscribe button, all the above. The more you interact, the more the videos get out to you. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and until next time, I'm gonna see y'all on another Nova Beauty video.